Welcome back to a brand new tutorial. Thank you for joining me once again. Today I have this eye makeup look for you, and we are using the Perception palette. This is the Shayla collab with Colourpop. If you can tell, these colors are super pretty. I told myself during the first launch to not get it because I probably have all these colors in my collection, but of course it's sold out. I bought it and here we are. So it reminded me of the Morphe 39A palette, which I did not pick up. This is like a little smaller version of it. That's why I wanted it. Just the color scheme and everything is just so pretty. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this eye makeup look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Priming with the Morphe concealer. This is in the shade Macchiato. The RCMA No Color Powder just to set this concealer in place. Culture and pop that all over the crease. In with Thick, which is an orange shade, this one right here. And put this on the outer corners and on the inner corners. This is an orange shade. Play it out. And very gently just place this right on the outer corner, and my camera wasn't focusing on this part, but I just went like this, just very lightly. Should look something like this. Now I'm gonna just use whatever was left on the Thick shade, which is the orange shade, and just blend these together. Now for the actual lid shade, I'm going to use Spill the Tea with a mixture of Strut and Slay, which is Spill the Tea and then Strut and Slay. So this comes out. I notice I'm patting it on the eyelid, not sweeping it on. Literally just patting it all into the center of the eyelid, in between the two brown, in between played out, which is the brown, like dark brown color. Now I'm gonna go back in with Thick, which is orange, and my MAC 217 brush. And we're gonna blend more orange. I feel like it got a little bit lost. We're gonna move on to the rest of the face. So we're gonna use MAC Strobe Cream. For foundation, I'm using the Hourglass Warm Honey shade. And when I bought this at Fame, the young woman helping me told me that to use a dense brush, but I have one, they're just dirty. I just like how this spreads out the foundation. She said that a sponge is not really meant for it. You can, but it's not meant for it. But I really like how this It Cosmetics brush, the airbrush smoothing foundation, works really nice. I got this during the 21 Days of Beauty sale. And I'm just buffing it into the skin in like small circular motions. And I'm trying to use up my Tarte concealer, so I'm going to use her again. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder. This is in the shade Medium Deep. I thought this was going to be a little bit too dark for me, but it's actually like almost my skin tone color. It kind of like balances out because the Tarte concealer is a little bit like too light, so this is a little bit too dark, so it kind of just like balances out. I haven't used this highlighter in such a long time. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlight. I mean, do you remember this? We're just gonna pop this on the top of the cheekbones. Alright, we're gonna go drugstore today with bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, which is this one right here. I haven't used it in forever. This is the shade light to medium. I don't remember the last time I used this, so we'll see if it even shows up on my skin tone. I mean, we have some here. We'll see how this comes out. If not, I mean, it's not like as bronzy as I like it, but it'll still pass for my skin tone. Carve out some of this right here just because I want it to be like pretty chiseled. A little bit, not too crazy. My Tarteist Pro to Glow because I feel like the bronzer is not doing it too much for me. Like it's okay, but it's nothing like how I like it. Okay, see, it's a little bit more better. It's the NARS Dulce Vita. Move on to the lower lash line, and we're going to do the same colors. We're going to do Culture Thick, and then Played Out, which is the brown shade, this one. This is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on my waterline. This is a cream eyeliner. Of course, I'm going to put on some lashes. These are the Arielle Demi Wispies. I'm going to use it So Hollywood again and put it on the inner corner. For my lip color, I'm going to use the Time Los Angeles in Lookin Cute, Feelin Cute. Well, that is the end of this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Toodles!